My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Hgew. This is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It encrypts the files and damages them. Before the ransomware attack, definitely you're able to open your files without troubles. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected. So after restarting the computers, this ransomware may reveal itself eventually. By the way, this ransomware is called like that because it actually appends this special Hgew extension to the file names. So eventually it's not possible to use these files because this Hgew extension gets appended to the file names. It's not possible to use the data. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money, so don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install it, and then once the software gets successfully installed, start researching the system by clicking on the Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. You need to click on this Start Scan button. Then the scanning will begin, but in your case, most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to decrypt the files. It helps to remove the ransomware, but it does not decrypt the files. It protects the files, but it's not possible to decrypt the files with this anti-ransomware feature. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations, consider premium license, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.